So these are three baby chickens. Um, One died about yesterday. It's the one that looked like the one with the smaller chicken. Here, I'll show it to you. This is, I forgot what their names are actually. What? That's all the three of them. Then again, one died yesterday, so we have three left. Here, let me go around. Oh, don't be little babies. Hey. What? Here, I'm gonna call out some chickens to get some food. Chickies! Chickies! And here's this one. um, it's my bad. Or, I don't know. What are you doing in there? There's Gracie right there. The one that looked like her right there, the one with the feathers on its feet, it died. That was her baby. That looked exactly like her. Then again, um, she's very sweet. She would do this. Come here. Itchy. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. That's Sassy Squatch. She's new. We have like five or six chickens or seven that are new, but they're fully grown. And I forgot their names. Hold on, let me zoom it out. They're in the back, and there's this one that's brooding. I don't know if this one's brooding. Yeah, she's brooding. But yeah, these are all, we have like a bunch of chickens, probably like 30 or maybe 40. I don't know. Oh, quit freaking out. Alright, say bye. What? Alright.